Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm heading towards Tanai's place just to check out his KX 250 which he has, Kawasaki one, dirt bike. So let's reach there and meet him. ये देख फुल है।
हाँ, अभी क्या डालो, छोड़ना मत क्लच। हाँ, अभी थ्रॉटल।
So riding it first time. So it has a great power. It's a 250 4-stroke engine. It's up for sale. If anyone wants, can contact me or comment below. I'll just take a short spin once. It's super fun. Saddling is also easy. I wish I had money, I could get this one. Chalo, bye. So that KX is up for sale. Anybody wants can comment down for the details. Ending this video over here. Do subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram ID, that's silentbike_kiwi. Bye bye.